Morning viewers, GWG back to you with a quick tutorial how to find noisy suspension components. Okay guys, what you want to do here, hold the tire side to side, shake it, feel if it's loose, it should be pretty tight, and up and down too. In this case, this wheel, I feel it's a little loose. Okay guys, I have my buddy Martin here to give me a hand, shake the wheel, so I can show you guys more, and you can go ahead, shake it from side to side. Guys, as you can see the ball joint moving, and this is the noise that we have on this car right there, and you can see the boot is torn too, but you can definitely see the movement. We'll go ahead, check the tie rod. There is no movement there, the inners are good. Go ahead, Maureen, you can see the bearing, the axle is steady, it doesn't move, the strut steady. So we only have here a bad ball joint. Thank you, Martin. Now to the sway bar and the sway bar links. So you get a pry bar, stick it in between the cross member and the sway bar here. Where you trying to see any movement in the bushing here for the sway bar. Links, make sure they're tight, they're not loose like the ball joint I showed you, and you can see here I'm prying on the sway bar and they're just steady. So we got good bushings and good sway bar links. Now to the control arm, guys. As you can see here, I'll be changing this with the ball joint just because of the rust. But the way you test it, the first thing you get a pry bar in between the control arm and the bracket, and you pry and see if there is any movement. It should be steady. And also you can go ahead, but I can't show you this on camera. You can try and see the bushing inside. It shouldn't be cracked. If it's cracked, time to change. Also the rear bushing for the control arm still. Go ahead, pry on it. I don't see any movement. But like I said, we'll be changing the control arm with the ball joint. You can also check the axle while you're there. Make sure the boots are not cracked and the grease is still contained inside. Also the inner boot, make sure it's good.